Gulf and bays. Gulf of Tonkin is situated near Vietnam. Gulf of Siam is located in southern Thailand. Persian Gulf is located in Arabian Sea. Baffin Bay is located in Greenland. Bay of the Biscay is situated between northern Spain and western France. Bay of Riga is present in Baltic Sea. Hudson Bay is situated in northern Canada, which is the largest gulf of the world. Gulf of Mexico, which is the largest bay of the world. Hudson Bay. Shark Bay is present in Western Australia. Thunder Bay is present between Canada and USA. Gulf of Sidra is present in Libya. Gulf of Lion is present in France. Maracaibo Bay is situated near northern Venezuela. Baffin Bay is situated between Canada and Greenland. What is the Moray Bay? Bothnia Bay is situated between the countries Sweden, Finland. Saint Lawrence Bay is situated near Canada. Which continent has no desert? Europe. In which desert is the world's driest place? Atacama. Volcano and earthquake. Earthquake waves which have transverse movement are now as secondary wave. In the study which of the following areas the instrument of seismograph is used? Earthquake. During an earthquake, the major destruction is caused by the energy released due to seismic waves. Which of the following measure the strength or magnitude of an earthquake? Richter scale. Ring of fire refer to the ring of volcanoes present in a circum-Pacific seismic belt. Which of the following is the post-volcanic active? Earthquake. Volcanic eruptions occur due to conversion of rocks in the deeper layer of earth crust, molten state of magma. Which of the following factors is responsible for occurrence of earthquake? All of the above cause earthquake. A crack in the earth crust through which hot magma and gases forces out is called volcano. Which island was epicenter of tsunami on 26 December 2004? Sumatra. Which of the following phenomena is responsible for the formation of the highest mountain? Volcanic activity. Volcanic Mt. Etna is located in Italy, Sicily. Fujiyama in Japan is a volcanic mountain. Stromboli volcano is located in Sicily, Italy. Mt. Katmai Valley in Alaska is known as the Valley of 10,000 Smokes. Above volcano which exploded in 1951 is present in Philippines. Vesuvius is the name of volcano in Italy. The Devil Tower is present in USA is a volcano. Largest volcano crater in the world is Toba, Indonesia, in which where tsunami hit the area of Makran 1946. How many countries were affected from the tsunami of 2004? 12. Quetta city was completely destroyed due to the earthquake in 1935. How many people died in earthquake of 1935 in Mecca? How many people died in earthquake of 1935 in Pakistan? 30,000. An earthquake of 7.6 magnitude on Richter scale hit the northern area of Pakistan and Azad Kashmir on 8th October 2005. How many people died in 8th October 2005 earthquake in Pakistan? 73,276. The epicenter of the earthquake which struck Pakistan on 8th October 2005 was 100 km in the north of Islamabad at Gadi Habibullah.